So now I would like to demonstrate how to operate the Google Earth. First of all, I have already downloaded it already. So I just turn it on and you will see it's really very vivid. Okay, I turn off the notification and you will see our Earth. And then I mentioned before, you have to check out what kind of, the battle of your choices, because now maybe the locations may change gradually along the history. So, for example, I said the Red Cliff, but actually Chinese name they call it Chibi now. So I just have to put in Chibi. And you will see there are so many options here. So at least that is, that is in China, right? So I just click right. Okay, so the Earth just zooming to the Chibi. So you might wonder, because you can see there are so many pictures, it means that some people have already uploaded their picture there. So please still keep zooming, and you can see there's a Yangtze River here. But Chibi has become like a city because it's the famous history site and gathered so many population here. So now what I would like to ask you to do, you have to place a mark, so you will see here and just do it. Okay, but maybe it just appeared somewhere else. Maybe you like to take it nearby the Yangtze River, and then you can change the name. So I just came and right click. And here you can upload any kind of information you would like to share. So it's also why I would like you to do the graphic organizer first. So I have downloaded and organized the content a little bit, copy it, so I just paste it. Okay, here. But some people think, okay, just the text may be so boring. So you can also add a local image. So no matter you have a download left from the website, or you can just copy the link. Okay, that should be. I also have that here. So you can change the color, the scale, anything. You can also see view. Okay, and you can also do the snapshot current view here. All right. So here, I just simply demonstrate and how to upload your information. After you click OK, you will see it appears here. So if you click it, it pops out the information what you just upload. So it's quite convenient. So if we can share that to other people who are interested in Chinese history, or at least the battle of Red Cliff, they can also get some knowledge from you. So you can just give me the screenshot, or let me know how you have done.